Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tag YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Jiomeet app not working problem. Hello guys, let's get started. Before starting the video, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos every day. So guys, what you have to do here, you can see Google Play Store. The first point what you need to do for just click on uninstall option after going to Google Play Store, or you can directly go here and you can uninstall the application first, and then after uninstalling the application you can reinstall it and you can try it again if it is using or not. So this is the first step what you can do, and the second point is you have to check whether your internet connection is on and the network is good. So if it is not good, then you have to connect the good to Wi-Fi or network, then only it will work. So this is the second point. And the third point, what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to go to settings, and then after going to settings on your device, you have to go to apps management or install apps, and then you have to go for apps list. So now here just simply type Jiomeet. So here you can see this is the Jiomeet application. What you have to do, just click on storage uses, and then you have to clear all the data here. So after clearing all the data, you can just go back, and again you have to search for go for Jiomeet here, and then you have to stop the force also here. So after stopping the force, you can see here the option permission option. Just click on permission option, and then you can see here no permission allowed. So you have to allow all the permission here. So after allowing all the permission here, you can see here you have to allow all the permission here. Wait. So after allowing all the permission, you can just go back and check whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, then what you have to do again, the next step is you have to just simply go to the settings and go to your about software updates, and you can check whether your system is asking for an update or not. If they are asking for an update, you have to update your system and check whether it is working or not. And after updating your system, you have to restart your app device, and you can try it out. I'm 110% it will work out for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.